Hi everyone, this is Raghuram, aptitude trainer. Last video we have seen some tips in speed maths. Now in this video we shall see some more tips in speed maths. And we have seen so many tips to find the squares and some multiplications. Now comes to division. So we can have the division points also, decimal values also we can. So we have I'll take first division by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So first let us take divide by 2. It's very easy. No other method is there. Direct method. First what we take 1 by 2 is 0.5. That's over. Only one thing. And divide any number by 2. If it is exactly divisible, 0.0. If it's not divisible, the remainder is 1 and directly we put 0.5. So for example, if we take 65 divided by 2, so what do? 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. Just put 0.5. If the remainder is 1, 0.5. If the remainder is, there is no remainder, just directly 0.0. Like this we can divide by 2. Now we shall see divide by 3. First we must know 1 by 3 is 0.3333. That is 3 bar. And 2 by 3 is 0. Double of that one. 0.666 bar. So on we get it. Okay. Instead of that we can write like this. 3 bar, 6 bar. To find any number division by 3, first divide by 3. Randomly I will take same number 65 divided by 3. If it is some number is exactly divisible by 3, directly write the number 0.0. If the remainder is 1, we put 0.3 bar. If the remainder is 2, we put 0.6 bar. So here 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and what is left? 2 left. So we get 21.6 bar. So like this we can find decimal places also. And this is the division for 3. And let us see division by 4. To divide by 4, so the remainder will be 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. If it is 4 by 4, the decimal places will be 0. So 1 by 4 is 0.25 and 2 by 4 is 0.50 and 3 by 4 is 0.75. It's 25 MP, 50 MP, 75 MP. If we divide by 4, we learn like this. Let us take same number 65 divided by 4. So how do we do? First normal division, and 4 1s are 4 and what is left? 2, 25. 6 4s are 24. What is left? 1. If it left 1, 0.25. If the remainder is 2, 0.5. If the remainder is 3, 0.75. Like this we put it. Let us find division by 5. Division by 5. First divide by 2, 3, 4. There are no methods. There are no tips. But division by 5 we have a tip. Next. So first I'll take some number x. Divide by 5. Multiply by 2 by 2. I am taking like this. So what do you get? 2x by 5 2 is that 10. So to divide by 5, first multiply by 2 and change one decimal places. For example, I'll take randomly some number 23 divided by 5. Okay. So what do we do? Double of that one. What is the double of this number? 46. And 46 and what do we do? One decimal places. Divide by 10. So 4.6. 23 by 5 is 4.6. Another number 65. If I take same number 65 by 5. What is 65? Double of 65? 130. And change replace 1. Move one decimal places. 13.0. That is nothing but 13. So 65 by 5 is 13. Like this we can do any bigger number also. So 121 divided by 5. So what do we get? So double of that and 242. Just put point for the last digit. So 121 by 5 is 24.2. So this is the this tip we can apply. Right here I'll tell you the numbers multiply by 5. Same method we apply. To multiply by 5, I'll take x multiply by 5. So division by 5 and multiply by 5 similar methods. What do we do? Divide and multiply by 2. What do we get? 5 2s are 10. 10x by 2. So to multiply by 5, first what do we do? Divide by 2. Divide by 2 is easy. And multiply by 10. Put some 0. Okay, now I'll take 12 into 5. So we know it is 60. I'm taking a least number to explain it one. And 12. Half of 12 is 6. And put last 0. That's it. If I take 88 multiplied by 5. 88 half is 44. And last put zeros. So we can have 32 multiplied by 5. 32 multiplied by 5. What's 32 half? 6. 16 twos are 32. And last put 0. Like this we can apply. Now if you observe 12, 88, 32 all are even numbers. Suppose these are odd numbers. So I'll take 17 multiplied by 5. What is the 17 of? And 88.5. So multiply by 10 we get 85. But it's somewhat hard. So what do we do? 17, the previous number is 16. What is the 16 of 8? Put 5. If it is even number, the last digit will be 0. If it is odd number, last digit will be 5. So what do we do? If it is odd number, subtract 1, we get even number. Half of even number is easy. So 16 half is 8 and put 5 at last. Like this, 87 multiplied by 5. I'll take the previous number, 86. What is 86? 80 half is 40, 6 half is 3, 43. So put 43 and last digit is 5. 87 multiplied by 5 is 435. Now I'll take a bigger number, 2, 3, 8, 9, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 multiplied by 5. I have taken any number of digit multiplied by 5. We can easily do. Simply divide by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 3, 2 ones are 2. What is left? 1, 18, 2 nines are 18 and 9, 2 fours are 8. What is left? 1, 13, 13, 2 six are 13 and what is left? 1, 14 and 2 sevens are 14 and we move to here 6, 2 threes are 6, 8, 2 fours are 8 and 9, 2 fours are 8. What is left? 1. Just put 5. This is the multiplication of a bigger number also we can apply. Now we have seen divide by 2, divide by 3, divide by 4. There are no tips, direct methods. And divide by 5 and multiply by 5 we have some tips we have seen. And divide by 6, there is no tip for this one. So the remainders when we divide by 6 is 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. 1 by 6 is 0.16 bar. You have to remember. And 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3. That is 0.3 bar. 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2 and 0.5. And 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3. Double of this one. 0.6 bar. And 5 by 6 is nothing but 0.83 bar. 0.83. If you remember 1, 6, we can find this one. So 1, what number if we add, we get 9, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And 6 plus 3, 9. So like this we can. So 1, 6, 1, 8, 9, 6, 3, 9. Like this we can. And this can be done 1 by 3. And this is 1 by 2. This is 2 by 3. So these two we have to remember. Suppose any number, say I am 65, I am taking 65 divided by 60. 6 tens are 60 and what's the remainder? 5. 0.83 bar. Like this we can find. If the remainder is 1, we take 1 6 bar. Remainder is suppose 3, we can 0.5 like this. We have seen divide by 6. There is no greater tip. Here divide by 7 we have a tip. The remainders would be 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. 7 by 7 is anyway 1. And next, here we need to remember one digit. We have a tip here, shortcut way is there. Now 7 twos are 14, 14 double is 28, 28 double is 56 plus 1, 57. we have to remember this one to divide by 7. If you divide by any number, we get only these digits other than this. In the same order we get it. So 7 is 14, 14 2 is 28, 22 is 56 plus 1, 57. Now first we shall take, so these two will be same, and 3 4 will be same, and 5 6 will be same, the remainders. So here same number, that is plus 0, plus 1, plus 2. Just remember that one, plus 0, that is just the numerator is 1. Start with 1. 0.142857 142857 that is 142857 bar. So like this we get it. If the remainder is 2, start with the 2. 0.2857, so 2857, again come back 14. So here 142857 bar, here 285714 bar. So if the remainder is 2, when we divide by 7, 0.285714285714, it will be repeated. Next here if we take 3 by 7, if the remainder is 3, here exactly same number we are starting. So if the remainder is 1, start with 1. If the remainder is 2, start with 2. If the remainder is 3 4, add 1. That is, if the remainder is 3 addition of 1 4, start with 4. 0 point, start with 4. 42857 and come back 1. And if the remainder is 3, the digits will be 0.4285714285 like this. And remainder is 4, and 4, next number is 5, start with 5. So what do we get? 0.57 and come back 1428 bar. The digits will be 0. So if you want, you can type in calci 4 by 7, you get 0.571428571428. This goes on continuously. Like this we can find 1 2 3 4, and 5 6 are different. 5 by 7, 6 by 7, we have to add 2. Just remember, there is no need to add, directly start with 1, directly start with 2. Here add 1, 3, start with 4, 4 with start with 5, addition of 2. So 5 start with 5 plus 2 7, and 6 plus 2 8, 0.8. Start with 7. So what do we get? 0 7 and come back 142857 142857, it goes on. And start with 8. Where is 8? Here. Start with 8. 0.857142 bar. So 6 by 7. 0.857142857114, like this we do. So we take the same example 65. 65 divided by 7 by 7. First normal division. 7 8s are 57, 9s are 63, and remainder is 2. If you want to start with the same digit, so 2. 285714285714. It goes on like this. So 285714 bar. So it goes on. So we can tell any number of digits divided by 7. So 1 to start with the same digit. 2 4 addition of, that is 3. So 3 4. 3 4 start with the addition of 1, that is 4 5. Start with 4 5, and 5 7 start with the addition of 2, that is 7 and 8. Like this we can divide by 7. This is the easiest tip. Now we have tips to divide by 9 and divide by 11. Two tips similar. If you want to divide by 9, multiply by 11. The remainder multiply by 11. If you want to divide by 11, remainder multiply by 9, reverse. So let us take 9. So some number 22 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18, that is 2.18. What's the remainder? 4. Multiply by 11. 44 4 4 4 4. It goes on. That is 4 bar. 44 bar. Nothing but 4 bar. Like this. So if you take any number 81 is exactly divisible by 9. Let us take 86 by 9. 9 9s are 81. What's the remainder? 5. 5 multiplied by 11. 9.5555. That is 5555 and goes on. 5 bar. 2.4 bar, 9.5 bar. Like this we can apply. So first to do normal division, get the remainder multiply by 11. Okay, so that is, we can, same digit will be repeated, but multiply by 11. If we want to divide by 11, multiply by 9. That is very easy to remember. Let us take division of by 11. Now divide by 11, let us take randomly any number. 48 divided by 11. Normal division, 11 fours are 44. And what's the remainder? 4. And 4 nines are 36 bar. 36, 36, 36. 36, 36. And it goes on. So 48 by 11 is 4.3636. So remainder multiply by 11. So if we take a bigger number, 91 divided by 11. 11 eights are 88, and what is left? 3. 3 nines, 27, 27, 27. That is 27, 27, 27. 8.2727, and it goes on. Like this, if we take a 108 divided by 11. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. So 11 nines are 99 point. And what is remainder? 9. 9 nines are 81. 81, 81, 81, 81, and goes on. So 108 division by 11 is 9.818181. Goes on. Like this we have tips for division by 5, division by 7, division by 9, and division by 11. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay, thank you for watching.